Hello student. So once again we are meeting. This video is about the question answers of chapter 2nd. Let us use the Graticule. We are going to solve all the question answer which are given in the exercise with simple explanation. So let us start. Question A. Put the tick mark against correct option. Question number 1. 66 degree 30 minute north parallel means. So basically this is polar circle. Over the earth we have two polar circle. In the northern hemisphere 66 degree 30 minute north, this polar circle known as Arctic circle, and the southern hemisphere 66 degree 30 minute south, this polar circle is known as Antarctic circle. That means correct option is Arctic circle. Question number 2. Which parallels bisect the earth? And the options are 1. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. So we learn that 0 degree parallel, it is known as equator, and this is the large parallel and also the great circle. This parallel bisect the earth in two same part. That means the correct option is equator. Question number 3. What is the angular distance of the Arctic Circle from the North Pole? And the options are 66 degree 30 minute, 90 degree and 23 degree 30 minute. We had learned that all the parallels make an angle with the center of the earth along with the equatorial plane, and this angular distance is expressed as the location of that parallel in degrees. The angular distance of Arctic Circle with the equatorial plane is 66.30 degree, and the angular distance of North Pole with the equatorial plane is 90 degree. If we are minus the angular distance of Arctic Circle from the angular distance of North Pole, we get the angular distance of Arctic Circle from the North Pole. So here 90 degree minus 66.30 degree, we get the answer 23.30 degree. That means correct option is 23 degree 30 minutes. This is the angular distance of Arctic Circle from the North Pole. Question number 4. Where do the prime meridian and the equator intersect each other? And the options are Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and African continent. See in the map, where do the prime meridian and equator intersect each other? And the correct option is Atlantic Ocean. Question number 5. Up to which parallel from the equator can the sun rays be perpendicular? Options are Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Second option, Arctic and Antarctic Circle. And the third option is North Pole and South Pole. We had learned that the region between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn receive perpendicular sun rays from the sun on the 2 days in year, and the region other than that between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn do not receive perpendicular sun rays ever. That means the correct option is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Question number 6. What would be the latitude of a place on the South Pole? And the option is 90 degree south, 90 degree north and 0 degree. We know that the latitudinal location of South Pole is 90 degree south. That means the correct option is 90 degree south. Next up, question B. Read the following sentence and correct the wrong ones. Number 1. While describing the location of place, mentioning the meridian is sufficient. So this statement is wrong. While describing the location of place, both parallels as well as meridian must be mentioned. That means this statement is wrong, and the correct answer is while describing the location of a place, both parallel as well as meridian must be mentioned. Question number 2. For describing the extent of region, it is necessary to assume the latitude and longitude of the center of the adjoining region. This statement is also wrong. For describing the extent of region, two parallels of latitude and two meridians of longitude at the extreme end of the region should be considered. So that means this statement is also wrong. Question number 3. Location of a road can be described only with a map. So this statement is also wrong. Location of a road can be described with the help of a map and also by the latitude and longitude is their terminal point. So that means this statement is also wrong, and write down the correct statement. We consider the latitude and longitude its terminal point with the help of map. Next up, number 4, 0 degree east meridian and 180 degree east meridian. This statement is also wrong, and correct answer is 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian. From prime meridian means 0 degree meridian, other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degree meridian. Thus, the location of 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian cannot be considered as a east or west. That means correct answer is only 0 degree meridian and 180 degree meridian. Number 5. The extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of the latitude of a point in the source and the longitude of a point at the end. This statement is also wrong. We had learned that while describing the linear feature, we should consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal point. That means that this statement it is also wrong, and correct answer is the extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of a latitude and longitude of a point in the source and the latitude and longitude of a point at the end. Number 6. 8 degree 4 minute north parallel to 37 degree 66 minute north parallel is the correct description of a location. So this statement is also wrong, because while describing the location of extent of region, we must be considered parallel as well as meridian. So this description is incomplete. This description describe only latitudinal spread. It is required the longitudinal spread too. That means this statement is wrong, and correct answer is 8 degree 4 minute north parallel to 37 degree 66 minute north parallel is an incomplete description of a location, as it only describes the latitudinal spread of the location and not its longitudinal spread. Question C. Find the locations of following cities from a world map, a map of India, or a globe, and write down the latitude and longitude of each of them. So student, you can see here I made a chart, and in this chart you can see all these 10 cities. Now we are going to find out the latitude and longitude of this city by using the world map or a map of India or a other map. So first city is Mumbai. So student, you can see here a map of India, and here is a Mumbai, and the latitudinal locations of Mumbai is between 10 degree north to 20 degree north. This is the latitude of Mumbai, and it is below the 20 degree north latitude. It is 90 degree 4 minute north latitude. So this is the latitudinal location of Mumbai. Next up, longitudinal locations of Mumbai is between 70 degree east to 80 degree east, and this is the longitude of Mumbai, and it is 72 degree 52 minute east longitude. So similarly, we can find out all the cities' latitudinal and longitudinal location by using the map. So next city is Guwahati. You can see here is Guwahati, and the latitudinal location of Guwahati is between 20 degree north to 30 degree north, and it is 26 degree 8 minute north latitude. Next, the longitudinal locations of Guwahati is between 90 degree east to 100 degree east, and it is 91 degree 44 minute east longitude. Next city is Srinagar, and here is a Srinagar. You can see in the map the latitudinal location of Srinagar is between 30 degree north to 40 degree north, and this is the latitude of Srinagar, and it is 34 degree 5 minute north latitude. Next, the longitudinal location of Srinagar is between 70 degree east to 80 degree east, and this is the longitude of Srinagar, and it is 74 degree 47 minute east longitude. Next city is Bhopal. You can see in the map here is a Bhopal, and the latitudinal location of Bhopal is between 20 degree north to 30 degree north, and here is a latitude of Bhopal, and it is located at 23 degree 15 minute north latitude. Next is a longitudinal location of Bhopal is between 70 degree east to 80 degree east, and this is the longitude of Bhopal, and it is located at 77 degree 24 minute east longitude. Similarly, we will find out other latitude and longitude of cities. So next city is Chennai. You can see in the map here is a Chennai, and the latitudinal location of Chennai is between 10 degree north to 20 degree north, and here is a latitude of Chennai, and it is located at 13 degree 4 minute north latitude. Next up, longitudinal location of Chennai is between 80 degree east to 90 degree east, and here is a longitude of Chennai, and it is located at 80 degree 60 minute east longitude. Next city is Ottawa. You can see here a map of Canada because Ottawa is the capital city of Canada, and here is Ottawa. You can see in the map the latitudinal location of Ottawa is between 40 degree north to 50 degree north, and here is a latitude of Ottawa, and it is located at 45 degree 25 minute north latitude. Longitudinal locations of Ottawa is between 60 degree west to 80 degree west, and here is a longitude of Ottawa, and it is located at 75 degree 41 minute west longitude. Next city is Tokyo. You can see here a map of Japan because you know that the Tokyo is the capital city of Japan, and here is a Tokyo. The latitudinal location of Tokyo is between 35 degree north to 40 degree north latitude, and here is a latitude of Tokyo, and it is located at 35 degree 41 minute north latitude. Next, the longitudinal location of Tokyo is between 135 degree east to 140 degree east, and here is a longitude of Tokyo, and it is located at 139 degree 41 minute east longitude. Next city is Johannesburg, and you can see here a map of South Africa because Johannesburg is important city in South Africa. So here is Johannesburg, and the latitudinal location of Johannesburg is between 25 degrees south to 30 degrees south, and here is a latitude of Johannesburg, and it is located at 26 degree 12 minute south latitude. Next is the longitudinal location of Johannesburg is between 25 degree east to 30 degree east longitude, And here is a longitude of Johannesburg, and it is located at 28 degree 2 minute east longitude. Next city is New York. You can see here a map of USA, United States of America. Because New York is an important city in USA, here is a New York, and the latitudinal location of New York is between 30 degree north to 45 degree north latitude. Here is the latitude of New York, and it is located at 40 degree 42 minute north latitude. Next, the longitudinal location of New York is between 60 degree west to 75 degree west. And here is the longitude of New York, and it is located at 74 degree 0 minute west longitude. Next city is London. You can see here a map of UK, United Kingdom. London is the capital of UK. Here is a London, and latitudinal location of London is between 51 degree north to 52 degree north latitude. Here is a latitude of London, and it is located at 51 degree 30 minute north latitude. Next, longitudinal location of London is between 0 degree to 1 degree west longitude. And here is a longitude of London, and it is located at 0 degree 7 minute west longitude. Question D. Find and write down the extent of following. So you can see here again I made a chart, and in this chart you can see the name of region. We are going to find out the extent of this region. While describing the extent of region, we are consider two parallels and two meridian at the extreme end of the region. So now we are going to find out the extent of this region. First is a Maharashtra. You can see here a map of Maharashtra, and these are the extreme end of Maharashtra. Latitudinal extent of Maharashtra is located at 50 degree 30 minute north to 22 degree north. And longitudinal wise, the extent of Maharashtra is located 72 degree east to 80 degree 50 minute east longitude. So this is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of Maharashtra. Next, Chile. This is a country which is located in South America continent. So you can see here a map of Chile. These are the extreme end of Chile. Latitudinal extent of Chile is located at 60 degrees south to 56 degrees south, and longitudinal extent of Chile, it is located at 70 degree 40 minute west to 75 degree west longitude. Next, Australia. This is a continent. You can see here a map of Australian continent, and these are the extreme end of Australian continent. Latitudinal extent of Australian continent is located at 10 degree 41 minute south to 43 degree 38 minute south latitude. And longitudinal extent of Australian continent is located at 113 degree 9 minute east to 153 degree 38 minute east longitude. Next, Sri Lanka. This is an island. You can see here a map of Sri Lanka, and these are the extreme end of Sri Lanka. Latitudinal extent of Sri Lanka is located at 6 degree 48 minute north to 9 degree 50 minute north latitude. And longitudinal extent of Sri Lanka, it is located at 79 degree 40 minute east to 81 degree 45 minute east longitude. Next, Trans-Siberian Railway of Russia. While describing the extent of linear feature, we are consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal point. Here they give us the starting point and terminal point of Trans-Siberian Railway. St. Petersburg, it is a starting point, and Vladivostok, this is the last terminal point. And the location of St. Petersburg is, you can see in the map, 59 degree 56 minute north latitude and 30 degree 20 minute east longitude. And the last terminal point of Trans-Siberian Railway, it is Vladivostok. It is located at 43 degree 10 minute north latitude and 132 degree 0 minute east longitude. With the help of a map, we are find out the locations of cities, extent of region, extent of linear feature. Next question, question E. Draw important parallels and meridians in the figure given below and label them with the appropriate angular measure. So you can see the important parallels and the meridians are shown in this figure. We can start from 0 degree parallel, which is equator. It is also a great circle. So here is the equator. Next up, 23 degree 30 minute north and 23 degree 30 minute south. These are known as a Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. Next up, 66 degree 30 minute north and 66 degree 30 minute south. These are known as a polar circle and also Arctic circle and Antarctic circle respectively. Next up, 90 degree north and 90 degree south. These parallels are known as North Pole and South Pole. Next, meridian. You can see here 0 degree longitude, which is known as prime meridian, and here is a 180 degree longitude. It is also important longitude. So you can see all the important parallels and the meridians in this figure. Draw these important parallels and meridians in your notebook. Question F. Write the important parallels and meridians in the following tables. First, important parallels, we are start from equator. At the middle, 0 degree parallel, it is known as equator. After that, 23 degree 30 minute north and 23 degree 30 minute south. It is known as Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. After that, 66 degree 30 minute north and 66 degree 30 minute south. It is known as Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Next, important meridian. 0 degree meridian, it is known as a prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. So this is an important meridian. And last, 180 degree meridian. So student, here we are complete our exercise. Write down all the question answers in your notebook and revise it one more time. Thank you.